Hello and welcome everyone to Magenta Design Studio. So here in this video I'll be talking about what exactly is visualization and some more details. So any guesses what exactly is visualization, and also is visualization same as of imagination? Well, not exactly. Visualization is a kind of an imagination, but it is not totally similar. In visualization and imagination, uh, in both these things, we need to think about it. But in visualization, it's restricted towards realism, whereas in imagination, there is no boundary for thinking. Like, it's not necessary to be realistic in imagination. Let's take an example. Here we have the moon, and it has eyes and as well as a smile, which is imaginary, obviously. Similarly, we have some trees. Having trees is realistic, but the trees talking is not actually a real thing, which is totally imaginary. So I think you got the concept of imagination. But in visualization, everything is realistic. Uh, let's see where it is used. Now let's consider we have a cube over here. Okay, so as we can see here only three faces are visible, which is the front one, right side, and the top view. Okay, so how to find the remaining ones? Is there any way to guess the other invisible sides? Yeah, well, we need visualization here. We will be discussing visualization in detail in this series. We will be starting with basic shapes, basic three-dimensional shapes, and then we'll move on how to visualize complex three-dimensional objects. So stay tuned and make sure to uh, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.